Hey, what's up everybody? Sorry. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nathan Shinyari and this is Do Life with me. To my newcomers, karibuni sana. To my gang. It's always a pleasure to have you guys. So on today's video, as you can tell, I'm in the kitchen again. I love the kitchen. I love cooking. I enjoy cooking and you should too. You should too. Okay? So today I'm going to show you how, guys, if you haven't watched the pumpkin recipe, please go watch. If you haven't watched the mshikaki recipe, go watch. I have so many healthy snacks that I'm showing you how to make, and please go make. It's so easy, so delicious, so healthy. You don't have any excuse not to try. So today I'm going to show you yet another recipe on how to make a healthy snack. Guess what? This is not potatoes. Yes, it's potatoes, but not the normal potatoes that we're used to, but it is ngwashi. In Kenya we call it ngwashi. It's called sweet potatoes. So I'm going to show you how to make ngwashi fries, or rather how to make sweet potato fries. You're welcome. Thank me. Because it's so easy, so healthy. We are used to just boiling the ngwashi and having it for breakfast with milk or tea, but now you can have this for dinner, for snack. Just play around with your ngwashi. Don't be boring with your ngwashis, guys, with your sweet potatoes. So let me show you what we are going to use. So guys, here I have ngwashis. I just sliced them in, you can choose any style, any design. Okay, so this is how I prepared it, like the normal fries that we have. So I'm not going to add anything, any spices today, but I'm just going to add in salt, only salt peke yake, because I just want to enjoy my ngwashis with that. You see, ngwashi has sugar, it's sweet, so a little bit of salt, and so that we can break that sweetness and that salty, you understand. I'm going to add in, instead of lemon, I'm going to add in white vinegar, like a bottle top of white vinegar, and stir. After I'm done stirring, I'm going to put it, I already have my cooking oil. It's already almost hot, so I'm just going to stir this. I'm just going to flip like so. That it's dry. Make sure it's dry, by the way, guys. It doesn't have any water. Make sure it's dry as much as possible. Now after flipping it, we are going to, let me show you, we are going, our cooking oil is already hot. Now we are going to dip in our ngwashis. Be careful, guys, not splash on yourself. The oil is hot. I think that's enough. Don't overcrowd it, but I'm trying as much as possible to put as many as I can, so that I don't do many rounds. Just do like 2 and I'll be done. So we're going to let it cook, and it should be, we want it crispy, so we are going to wait for it to be as crispy as possible. Guys, I'm going to be enjoying my snack. It's so easy, just dip them in hot vegetable oil and you're all done. Just wait for them to get crispy enough. So I'm going to be, I love putting my sauce just a little bit on the side, then take in my fries like that. It's so delicious. You can feel the sugar, the sweetness in the sweet potato, the natural sweetness, a little bit of sourness of because of the vinegar and the salt. That combination, oh my god. And now I'm using hot sauce, hot and sweet sauce. You can imagine the combination, the flavor. Just guys, try this out. It's so easy. Less than 30 minutes you're done. You have a whole plate of sweet potato fries. So healthy, so easy. You can do this every day, any day. So don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment down below if you're going to be doing this recipe, and tell me if you like this video and what else you'd like to see me doing. And guys, let me just enjoy this in peace, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Okay, I'll see you in my next vlog.